So next, you just have to lose these 14 nuts so you can remove this. Then remove. So you can see this is slacked. Then look at the bolt and hex bolt. So you need to be careful with the gasket, because if it breaks, then it's gonna be leak. Then next up, and I need to move this two clip, push it back to move this two pipe to get access to this my pipe. And also you have to reduce the return pipe too. Very careful with them, very careful. All these ones, very careful with them. And also slack these two 8 bolts and move this clip and this pipe, then move it this side to have access to your valve cover. So guys, so I have slacked, move these two pipe, then move our sensors, then move our return pipe. Please be careful regarding the seals so they don't break, to avoid leakage. To move the return pipe, you can see it's free, it's off. Then pretty much then we have access to move this our pipe. Yeah, so well guys, I've moved this out of the way. I just lose that two 8 bolts, then the return pipe that which was there, and the pipes connected to it, to move it out of the way. So all our pipes are out. Next bit to be is just to like remove the sensors for the injectors, and then slack this wiring room a bit. Then from there we move the injectors. So the wiring room is slacked. I've slacked it. Move this 10 bolts here, and there's a 10 nuts here and here. Then I move just this clip from the bracket with my pliers too. Then also this one too, I just move it from the bracket, air bracket, instead of moving the sensors. Then move all the injector sensors, then move from the pressure sensors too, and move from this one just to make it free to get to the valves. And the next step is just to move the injectors, and my injectors are already marked. Yeah, so all my nuts are removed, my 10 nuts are removed, which there were 8 of them. 8 of them. Yeah, so next bit you just have to like move the injectors by using the ply bar. Just put it a bit and be careful with this, just wiggle it a bit, but since this is a plastic, you need to be careful so you don't break it, so you don't have leakage in your valves. Yeah, after you can see, just wiggle it a bit, you see easy come off. Same to with this one, easy come off. Some of them are really hard, but now easy ways other ways you can move it. Yeah, see all my injectors came out. Yeah, so all my injectors are off. So the next bit is to remove this CV pipe. So you just use this tool, just pull it on, then move it and move it back. The next step, I have to like move this stem bolt for this air bracket to move the sensors to have access. Also this one's too, then to have access to it. Then pretty much then move the surrounding bolt for the valve cover. Then pretty much everything come off. So guys, this is not essential to move this. So the most important thing is this one, to move this one. So from after that, you can see my PC pipe is out. So after that, just move this surrounding bolt, then move your data house, your valve cover. To move this is 8 bolts, so you just need the 8 socket to move it. So the surrounding bolt not are out, so that 13 of them you can see from the valve cover. So the next bit is just to move this about stored, then you move the valve out. Yeah, pretty much to be sure. pretty much everything is all surrounding both of the valve covers out. So with the next bit, you just have to move your dipstick. Then you just need to bar the screwdriver to move the valve cover. Screwdriver, then put it somewhere around there, then bar it, wiggle it up a bit, and pretty much your valve cover will come off.